On Saturday around 9 p.m., Brooklyn Park officers, state troopers, and Hennepin County deputies were requested by the Brooklyn Center Police Department to help disperse a large car gathering from the Dollar Tree parking lot in their city.
Edna mode.
Hi, Sugs. I can't even begin to get into what we have planned for this video, but first, let's get into this bonnet my sister bought it for me. Thanks, sis. For today's look, I wanted to do a blossom meets high fashion. You're gonna see the event later and understand why, but let's get into it. Magical Girl Transformation activate. Yeah, just like that. Before we go anywhere, I have to show you guys all the details. I got these earrings from thrifting. I'm becoming so good at thrifting now. I got the chains from Walmart, and I got the other necklace also from thrifting. I got the dress from TikTok Shop and dyed it pink, the corset I got from Amazon, and the shirt I stole from my mother's closet.
Let me get in here close and personal. Hey, I just wanted to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. You know it's overdue, right? You gotta pay on time.
Now that that's out of my system, let's go, Shucks. First stop, Art in Bloom. I heard the Minneapolis Institute of Art was having a free flower exhibit, and of course I need to go check it out. I mean, look at all of this art.
It's like a scavenger hunt trying to find these flowers. I thought the flowers were just going to be everywhere. Like, no, it's just certain rooms have the flowers. Wow, I came from multiple flowers. I mean, I'm enjoying the other art, but like, where are the flowers?
I'm not gonna let this museum best me. If you want to place flowers randomly, that's fine by me. I'm great at wandering. And would you look at that? I found some more flowers. I'm getting good at this. Now I'm making my way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm art bound. Let's get into the rest of this art. So I'm getting pretty tired and we got another event to go to, so I'm about to dip. I bet y'all can never guess where I'm about to head to next. Did you guess a drag show? Ah! Now I can't play the music or anything because of copyright reasons, but it was lit. When my homegirl sent me this invite, I was so excited, so of course we had to go. And when I tell you it was nothing but baddies. I have to mute it again, but I want y'all to hear the crowd, hear how lit we are. Yeah, if you want to hear the music, check out my other socials linked down below. For the rest of the night, me and my homegirl were just jamming out, having a great time. That was so much fun.
That was a lot of fun.
It was so much fun.
It's a heavy.
Such a good time. Such a good time. Now, on to the next. Chat, I need y'all to make some noise for my wife, Yana the MoonCricket. If you're not following her music journey, your bunions stink, and you can't convince me otherwise, because, like, listen. Like I said, your bunions stink. I love her so much. She's such an amazing artist, and I just love how she accepts my shenanigans. Hanging out with her was such a nice, calm change of pace before I got into this hype event.
On Saturday around 9 p.m., Brooklyn Park officers, state troopers, and Hennepin County deputies were requested by the Brooklyn Center Police Department to help disperse a large car gathering from the Dollar Tree parking lot in their city.
When I tell y'all that bitch was packed, I almost got overwhelmed. Anyways, I'm just a girl, so let me show you all the pretty cars I found. I like this one because of all the sparkles and the banging bass it had. Now, this one caught my eye because of all the pretty lights. Got me out here feeling like a motherfucking moth. Speaking of, look at that butterfly door. I'm about to be nosy as fuck. What's happening over here? I'm nosy as hell. So, I'm no expert in cars. I'm literally just a girl. So, was it supposed to be making that noise?
Alright, y'all. I'm back home now. I'm so tired. That was such an eventful day. That car show was a lot. It was fun though. It's really funny how me and my girls just went and we know nothing about cars and we were just like, yo, that one's pretty. I like that one. I was just there for the motorcycles, let's be serious.
Obviously, because pretty girls like fast bikes. Duh.
Before I let y'all go, we gotta get into this outfit because I don't think I really did this outfit justice. Like, hold on.
I swear, I come up with outfits like I'm some kind of video game character.
Let me show you with the jacket off, hold on.
I got the pants from Rainbow, the black shirt is actually a dress I got from Amazon, the red shirt is also from Rainbow, and the leotard is from Amazon.
Thank you so much for watching. This was such a fun weekend. Thanks, Shaz. Bye. Did that get everything? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Am I no longer a giant woman? Am I fitting in the screen?